Hey, I have 3 questions for you. Do you want to save money? Do you want to have access to amazing deals and discounts? And do you want to be rewarded to shop and share? If you answered yes to any of these questions, definitely check out FunSaver. Link is in the description. Hey guys, it's Crystal, the Fit Mom. So check it out. So like Starbucks is coming out with their own line of protein lattes. I don't know Starbucks. I think you saw my video. I think you're watching me. But anyways, a little bit ago, I made a video talking about how you can replace your sugary iced coffee or your latte or whatever you do with a healthier option. So I know that Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Human Bean is so awesome with that little chocolate covered coffee bean on there is so awesome. But anyways, they have their lattes and they are awesome. But they have so much sugar, so much syrup, and all these different things they add in there, which it's just not good, right? So I was like, you know what? If I can get that same taste or even a better taste, making my own coffee at home, being able to add protein to it, being able to add fruit to it, basically being able to customize it to however I like it. So with that being said, I'm going to show you, I think I did a pumpkin and I think I did a caramel. I'm not sure what flavors I made last time, but this time we're going to do, to save time, I already made my coffee. I already had it in my Keurig. I love using Crave coffee. Oh my goodness, hold on, it's hot. It already has the hole in it. But this flavor is Southern Pecan. This is one of my husband's favorites, so he's gonna be sad that I've been using them up. The Southern Pecan is awesome. And Crave has so many crazy flavors that, it's hard to choose from. But anyways, that just adds the twang of what kind of flavor you're wanting your coffee or your latte to have. So let me go ahead and get I should have already had this done, guys, but all right, let me go ahead and add my ice in here. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I'm going to put in this latte. I like to use, hold on 1 second. So I only put like less than half the ice in there. I go ahead, I pour my coffee in here. This is just how I do it. You can do it however you want. You're gonna get the same effect. But so for my sweetener, I want you guys to be able to see. All right, for my sweetener, I use the Body Fortress Whey Protein. This is my favorite. I've tried a lot of different proteins and I keep coming back to Body Fortress. It's not disgusting. It doesn't have like a weird aftertaste. It's not chalky or grainy. Like that's the stuff I can't stand about a protein. But with this, you get 30 grams in 1 scoop. So that's perfect for me. You can double it up and get 60 if you need all that. So let me go ahead and put this in. I'm just gonna use 1 scoop of protein. And then I like to add cinnamon, guys. I like to add cinnamon to just about anything I can where it makes sense. Like my oatmeal, my my smoothies, my lattes, whatever. Because cinnamon is an awesome spice. It has, I almost opened the wrong end. It has, some good health benefits. You could just sprinkle, to what makes sense to you in there. It has some good health benefits as far as heart health, antioxidants, all that stuff. And I also add peanut butter. Now, let me tell you guys what happened to me, right? So I get the Jif Natural. I only use like maybe half a teaspoon or sometimes a teaspoon. I normally cannot stand chunky peanut butter. I can't stand it. So either I couldn't see, wasn't paying attention, whatever, but I ended up getting the chunky, right? Turns out this is good. I'm like really feeling it right now. And what I like about it is for my drinks, it adds like, you know, when I'm drinking it, it adds a little crunch, a little, you know, just a little texture to my drink. So I'm only gonna put like a little bit. I don't like to put a gang of it in there. I'm gonna dump this in here. I'm gonna have to lick this off here. All right. And then, I mean, I can keep going and going about stuff that I like to add, but I do always like to have my fruit. So I'm gonna add blueberries to it, just to add some more, you know, superfood, some more like, you know, good stuff to my latte. Like I said, it's not gonna change it to like a fruit taste. I just want the health benefits of like my fruit and stuff. You can add bananas to it. I know last time I showed that you can add bananas to it. And of course, you know, I have to add, if I'm doing a latte or something that's good, but I want to make it, you know, be, you know, like dessertful kind of, but not in like, you know, not adding a whole bunch of bad stuff. So I'm going to add chocolate chips, but they're going to be dark. I'm adding my dark chocolate chips. Now this sets it off. This sets it off right here. So I'm not going to add a lot. I'm literally adding like maybe 10 little chocolate chips. And all that's going to do is give me that texture. It's going to give me that texture coming up through the straw, those little chunks of chocolate, and then the little chunks of, you know, the peanuts from the peanut butter. So give me 2 seconds, guys. Let me go ahead and blend this up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So go ahead and take a look. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks smooth and creamy, just like an awesome latte would look. Let me go ahead and throw this top on here. I'm gonna taste this for you guys, even though I know that it's already awesome, so I don't even really have to do all that. But I can go ahead and grab my baby's straw. Always steal her thick straw. And the reason why I get the thick straw for this is because I love those chunks of, the little chunks of the dark chocolate and all that stuff. But guys, I'm not just saying this because it's mine and because I made it, but this is so awesome. And just knowing that in this cup of awesomeness is 30 grams of protein, some cinnamon, some blueberries, a little bit of peanut butter. It just, I get excited. I'm getting excited as I drink this because not only is it amazing, but it's good for me. I'm fueling my body and I'm just enjoying myself, right? But with that being said, I challenge you to go ahead and make one of these yourself instead of spending $6, $7 on a drink that you're only going to be able to get that one time and not being able to make over and over and over again if you want to. Like I said, the difference of being able to buy everything yourself, the protein, big thing of protein, your Crave coffees, all that stuff, and being able to make them at home is like priceless, right? But don't get me wrong, I'm definitely going to Starbucks and I'm definitely going to try their protein latte. And the thing is, it's like, whatever they give you, that's what they give you, right? So you can't customize it to the way you like it. So that's what I like about making these at home. Again, I'm definitely gonna try it. And when they come, I think it comes out sorry about that. I think it comes out September 29th. So I'll definitely come back and do a review, do a comparison, to see if they're like worth my time, but I doubt it. I don't know. But anyways, with that being said, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to check out all the links for everything to make this coffee. The Body Fortress, put a link for that in Amazon. The Crave coffees, I'll put a link to that. Also, be sure to check out Fun Saver, guys. Fun Saver is like my new hotness. It is awesome. Like, you can find, just for signing up to be a free member, things for like $8, $12. You can find probably a Keurig. You know, they have the fun finds. You can find a Keurig, probably a coffee maker. Heck, you might even find a Ninja. I don't know. You just got to go on there, check it out, see what they have. And heck, that's all I got, guys. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.